Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another haul. These are my Black Friday purchases that I've done, and I know this is late, but yeah. So at Valentino, I took advantage and got my first ever acrylics from them, and I got this colored acrylic in lavender, I think, and then perfect nude. And then from NailSupplyGlamour, I got their brand of crystal clear, which is okay. I've tried it, not the best. And I also got these two, which that one I'm wearing on my nails, and then this one. I also got two new AB glitters from NailSupplyGlamour, and there's a little peek of what they look like. And then this one's just like a blue, pink, purple type of mix. I also got this mood acrylic or mood powder from Indie Skies from Glam and Glitz. I love this powder. It's what I have on my nails right now. Not in the video, but like in person, and I love it. And then these are from a fellow YouTuber that I watch. Her name is Rosa Sandoval, and she makes videos in Spanish, and she came out with like a little holiday collection, and I went ahead and bought it, you know, and try to support a fellow Latina. Yeah, I actually really like the colors that she came out with. They're fairly cheap. It was like $20, I think, for the whole collection, which isn't bad at all. My favorite from her collection, it's like this AB glitter with some white and red snowflakes in it. I love this. And then I got some beads from AliExpress, but they came all broken, so I tried to salvage as many as I could into like little containers. And then I got these like super cheap like plastic rhinestones, just to like, you know, practice my rhinestone, just to practice my rhinestone placement and just practice with them. If you want links to anything that I'm showing, please comment down below and I'll be glad to leave a link. And then I got a little mix of like opal crystals. I really love these too. And then I got more rhinestones. These are little AB squares, some blue, purple, some champagne. What else? Oh, some of these little shapes. Just, you know, different kinds of rhinestones. And then I got these 3D like crystal ones. And then some red and blue. I really went in on the rhinestones, guys. And then I got some hearts for Valentine's. Those are little AB hearts. And then I also got red and the clear ones, as well as some other bigger, like, what shape would that be like? I don't know, but I got other ones. And then I got some pixie, I think is what it's called. I'm excited for that. And then these, I went ahead and took them out of the package, but the bottom row are new ones that I've gotten. So some of these shape, and then a lot of AB, and then some red little kites. Like this wheel of like 3D like pointed trapeze diamonds, like long diamonds. And then I got another pot of the maple leaves. This one is like an orangey gold color. And then I also got some snowflakes, which I have on my nails right now. I'll have a video at the end of the video showing my nails. And then I just bought like this white iridescent glitter, which I actually have a big bag of. I love this glitter. Super sparkly blue kind of clear glitter. And then I got this but I thought it was gonna come in bigger pieces, but it comes pretty like in pretty small pieces as it is, so I'll find a way to use it. And then I got some more of these letters. If you would have seen my other hauls, you would have noticed that I've already have some of these type of letters. But these I bought specifically because it said they were thinner, and the ones that I have are super thick and they don't lay flat on the nail. If your nail is curved, you have to have a super flat nail for them to stick, and these actually do work. And then I got some Tom and Jerry sticker or water decals, and then a lot. Also got these, and you'll notice my one's missing. It's because I put it on my finger to see, you know, how they worked, and I'm obsessed with decals. And then I got this like bigger assortment of the Simpsons. I love. I can't wait to put these on my nails. A little Maggie moment. You have Bart, Lisa. You even have Nelson, or not Nelson, what's his name? I forgot his name, but Marge. You have everybody on there. And then I got like a little 4-pack, or maybe 4-pack of snowflake transfer foils. And those are what those look like. And then I got this little pot of this butterfly nail foil as well. And then I got some drill bits. First off, I got this coarse or ceramic coarse safety bit. That was a mouthful. And then I got this fine metal like cuticle bit, and then I also got another ceramic cuticle bit, but this one is medium grit. And then some things that I forgot to show in the haul were these red, green, and like opalescent, not opal, but like pink, like I don't know how to describe these, but these crystals, the pink ones, I love. Anyways, thank you for watching and happy holidays. This video is going up after Christmas, New Year's, and all that, but it was filmed way before. So yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching.